In this video, we will install Anaconda Python and launch Jupyter Notebook and run a sample Python line. So let's get started. First of all, open your Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or any other browser and go to Anaconda, search Anaconda download, and you can just click on this button, or let me just click on this page so that we can see how to go to download from website. Now once anaconda.com is open, as you can see here, as it is open, you will see this page and you can just click on download, and right away the download will start. As you can see, it is 787 MB, so it will take quite some time. So as you can see here, our Anaconda is downloaded. So now you can click on open file or go to the folder where it is downloaded and just double click on it. So once this is open, you will see something like this. Click on next, click on I agree, click on just me or all users. Now if you click on just me, this will only be visible to the user that currently you are logged in as. So right now I'm logged in as Vishal Shrestha, so it will only be available for Vishal Shrestha. Okay, so but if you want it to be available to all the users, click on all users. Right now I'll just install it for me. Click on next, and this is where Anaconda will be installed. If you want, you can change the directory, hit next, and you can leave all these three options unchecked and click on install. So as you can see here, it is showing completed. Now you can click on next, click on next again, uncheck this and uncheck this also, and hit finish. Alright guys, now our Anaconda is completely installed. Now press on Windows button and type Anaconda. So you will see these two things here. So Anaconda prompt is using command line and Anaconda Navigator is using GUI. So click on Anaconda Navigator. It will open up command prompt and it will take some time to install and initialize for the first time. So be patient with this. So now you can see Anaconda Navigator is open and it is still processing here. Now you can see a bunch of options here. As you can see, like Jupyter Lab, Notebook, and all this good stuff. Our Anaconda is installed and now we are successfully open in our Anaconda Navigator. In your Anaconda Navigator, you will see a lot of other packages and other softwares. Now to install and open Jupyter Notebook, you just need to click on this launch in this Jupyter Notebook section. Click on launch. It will take some time and launch Jupyter Notebook for you. Our Jupyter Notebook is open. From here you can go inside any other folder and create a new Jupyter Lab notebook. So let's say you want to create a new Jupyter Lab notebook. You just click on new, choose which kernel you want to use. Just click on Python 3 and your new Jupyter Lab notebook is open. So just write a Python line here. Let's say we want to print hello world. Now hit Control and Enter to run this. As you can see, hello world is run. So now you can use your Jupyter Notebook and create interactive Python applications. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.